Today we talk about how can you add your birthday on your pickup. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then come to this list on your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on edit profile. So then you come to this list here, then you click here on personal info. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video here. So then you click here on personal data. Then you click here, you come here to birthday, click here on it. So add here your birthday here. Then you click on set. So then you click on save changes. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.